Okay guys, today I'm going to be picking this lock here, which is an American Series 1105 in gold. Big thanks to dellboy1987 for sending me the lock. Just show you that it is working fine with the key. There we have the bitting on the key, which is a 22347. So I'm going to SPP this one. There we go, that's picked. Just had a little bit of trouble there getting underneath the first pin because of the tension wrench. But there we have it. That's the 1105 SPP'd. Thanks once again to dellboy1987 for the lock. I've got another one of these to pick on camera as well, an orange one. So I should get that up soon. So thanks for watching. Keep watching because I've got some more videos to come. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.